Hi, my name is Peter Kang. I'm the co-founder of Barrel.
Hi, my name's Allison Hilario. I'm based in New York City, and I'm the People Operations Manager at Barrel. Barrel is a creative marketing agency.
And we've been in the business since 2006. Pre-pandemic, we had our office in New York, and we had just invested in expanding the space. Come 2020, with the pandemic, a lot of our employees that were based in New York City ended up moving out. That got us thinking about, hey, with this shift in going remote, is there a way that we can kind of rethink the makeup of our agency? We realized that we could, not only hire people in different places, we didn't need to hire people full time. So we could successfully bring in contractors on an as-needed basis for projects. And then, when the work slowed down or, the projects just weren't there, then, we could quickly scale down our team. That core full-time team became smaller, but then our network of contractors began to grow.
In the past, when we were building our freelancer network, there was no real process. We wanted to find a way to be able to not only find great talent, but also keep that talent in a network where we are communicating with them, working with them, and just building that relationship more long-term.
Making sure that you're staying in touch with them and you're also keeping them looped in on upcoming projects, getting a sense of their availability. Things just work faster. You're making an investment in that relationship. You're able to rely on them and bring them on without having to, worry whether, they're gonna falter in some way.
We were managing our contractors in a lot of different ways. It was pretty fragmented. We were using spreadsheets, different payment platforms. Each freelancer looked a little bit different. We love that with Contra, we can kind of bring everything into one place.
This hawk's eye view of like, hey, what does our talent pool look like?
Also use Contra to find our talent as well.
Especially when we're in like a resource pinch and the fact that, hey, you can go on Contra and just see who else is available, that's been a big win for us.
Having a great experience both on the employer side and the freelancer side. Also with payments and contracts, Contra has completely transformed that and made that a much easier, more efficient process. The nature of work keeps changing and evolving, and I think knowing who your people are, knowing who you can call on, and being able to use them over and over again is really valuable.
Creating that culture where, contractors, freelancers feel like they're part of that and kind of contributing to more than just the work, but feeling like part of the team. And that model mentality is sometimes it's hard for agencies to adopt. That's a learning and I think a trend that, agencies will face moving forward.